Launch date, January 2026. Price, 4,700 Saudi Riyals. Display, 6.8-inch LTPO AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate. Processor, Exynos 2600. RAM and storage, 12GB and 16GB RAM options, with 256GB or 512GB storage. Cameras, rear camera, triple setup, 200MP main, plus 50MP telephoto, plus 50MP ultra-wide. Front camera, 32MP with high resolution. Battery, 4,400 mAh, with fast charging support. Other features, 5G connectivity. Latest Android version, likely Android 16 at launch. Premium slim design, 5.5mm at thinnest point. In-display fingerprint sensor. Wireless charging, possibly Qi 2 standard. Summary. Samsung Galaxy S26 Pro is expected to launch in January 2026 with a 6.8-inch AMOLED 120Hz display, Exynos 2600 processor, up to 16GB RAM, 512GB storage, 200MP triple camera, and 4,400 mAh battery. In Saudi Arabia, the price is rumored to start around 4,700 Saudi Riyals. If you found this update useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech news and leaks.